The biggest AI's secret isn't the tool, it's the prompt. One small change can turn an average answer into an incredible one. Always give the AI a role, like teacher, marketer, or programmer. Better instructions usually lead to much better answers.
Ask short questions. Give the AI your goal, audience, and purpose. More context almost always creates better results.
Don't ask for information only. Ask for a step-by-step plan. Clear instructions make every answer easier to understand and follow.
If something feels confusing, ask the AI to explain it with simple, real-world examples. You'll understand difficult ideas much faster.
Never accept the first answer. Ask the AI to improve, simplify, or expand it. The second version is often much better.
Big goals feel easier when you break them into small tasks. Let the AI create a simple action plan you can follow every day.
Ask the AI to think like an expert with years of experience. Better perspective often leads to smarter, more practical answers.
Before you finish, ask the AI to review its own answer. It can often find mistakes and improve the final result automatically.
Never settle for one answer. Ask the AI for 5 different versions. Then choose the strongest one for better results.
Best trick. Tell the AI to ask you questions first. Better information creates better prompts, and better prompts create better results.
Great AI results don't come from better tools. They come from better prompts. Start using these tricks today and watch your productivity grow.